Hey everybody, Omega Rider 1996 review. I'm back. Busy, it's been a while review back 2017 in November and December because I'm a little busy now. Today's review is Master Grade Akan MG F91 Gundam from the F91 from the movie. Yeah, the Universal Century Gundam. Also, this was my birthday present back 2017. My present birthday. I originally was RH-72 Gundam, but it sold out. I want RH-72. Yeah. It's the first Master Grade version Gundam, complex, different H gene, along P gene too, perfect grade. The scale different. Yeah, the head skull is alternate face. I show you. Take a this like this. Also, I painted black. I hate sticker. I'm sorry, blue eyes. I will buy Gundam market for sure. Yeah, this figure is awesome. Yeah, I'm sorry it was broken long ago. That one too. That one's broken too. Part pieces. Yeah. This figure is beautiful. Also, I painted black along this one too. Painted. That one I painted. Yeah, I hate sticker. Yeah, it's a black. I really hate sticker. Oh, sorry, it's popping out. This piece, I hate this piece popping out. Figure. Yeah, I buy the Gundam market too. Like a painting, custom Gundam, sure. Yeah, this figure is awesome. Articulation F91, the head center degree, it got up and down. Oh, sorry, it's popping out this. It got inside this. Sorry, it's a main camera. Oh, fuck. Be careful this part. This articulation. The arm center degree, it got in and out. Rotate this, bend the elbow, also rotate the elbow too. The fit, go side inside, go face, it can rotate this a little bit. The finger up and down, finger. Also waist. Go side, the whistle too. Be careful of popping of the piece. The legs front and back, it goes in and out. Be careful of this. Bend the knee. Double the angle go up and down. That's the articulation. Oh, also the wing too articulation. Cannon. Articulation too. Also, this gimmick, this one, and I do this is broken. Look, see, I broke it. This, I'm really careful myself. I build and fix it. Model kit, Gunpla. Although this one is fine. Awesome. Accessory head are ready. Stand up. The sniper gun. And the giant, I'm not sure, is a bazooka. And B saber. Along include this standard. This one. I'm not sure this one. I know he's pilot, but it's missing part. Pilot by Iron Mask. Also, that guy is Caesar's father. Caesar. And inside, open the chest, pilot. You can see it. There. It's pilot. Inside is Shibu. Pilot. Yeah, along shield is holding this. Also change the face again. This figure I can't stand that. Come on. This figure, I recommended this model kit Gundam Gunpla, the master grade model kit Gundam. Yeah, I watch Gundam in anime. Yeah, I'm a huge Gundam fan. As I watch it, Gundam F91 is a universal century after Gundam Hathaway Flash, the book. Later, next that one. Later in the sequel F91, Crossbow Gundam. I know it's a manga. It's a direct sequel. Later in Victory Gundam, Mobile Suit Victory Gundam. Also, Victory Gundam was the last universal century Universal Century of Gundam different. The original Gundam to Victory Gundam is the end. Yeah, Victory Gundam was the last Universal Century. This figure I recommend it. Yeah, this was my birthday 1 year ago. My birthday present. Yeah, check out my Omega Rider 99cs.wordplace.com and check out my Facebook and follow my Twitter, and don't forget email bell notification bell, click it. And don't forget email notification, click it right here, bell. Nagai Omega Rider 99cs review and signing out, and thanks for watching. See you next review.